Everyone, welcome back to your SS online class. So let's start our today's class. So today's children, we have completed our chapter number 14 till chapter number 14, and today we are going to do the new chapter, that is chapter number 15, our sky. Okay, so today we are going to do the chapter number 15. All of you take out your SS book and take page number 75. So first, chapter number 15, page number 75. And what is the name? Our sky. Okay, so are you able to see it? 1 minute. Okay, focus. So our sky. So let's start the chapter. Twinkle twinkle little star. We all have heard that poem in earlier days also. So what is the poem? Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So we all have heard that poem, that twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So have you seen, whenever you see in the sky, you are unable to count the stars, right? But they are twinkling at the night. So let's learn something more about this chapter. So let's start. So I am sure that you enjoy the poem. I am sure that you enjoy the poem every time you sing. So we have to enjoy whenever we see that poem and we sing it. First, we are going to learn about the stars. The sky is full of stars at night. They twinkle in the night sky. They are very far away from us. That is why they appear very small. So what about the star? We see the star twinkling at night. Are you able to count the star? No, we are unable to count the stars. Okay. So the sky is full of stars. Are you able to count the stars? No, we are unable to count the stars. We cannot count the stars because there are so many stars in the sky. Right? But why the stars look so small? Because they are so far from us. Okay, they are so far from us, so whenever we see the star, they look very small. Okay, so next is moon. You also see the moon in the night sky. The moon does not have lights of its own. It reflects the light from the sun. The moon moves around the earth. There is no air or water on the moon, and so there is no life on it. Each day the moon appears in different shape. These are called the phases of moon. So as we know, there is one moon in the sky and it is not in a same shape. Sometimes it is big, sometimes it is small. It has different shapes. Okay, the moon has so many shapes. It is not in a definite shape. So it does not have its own light. It takes the light from the sun. It takes the reflect light of the sun. Okay, so on moon there is no air, no water. So the people cannot survive on the moon. The people only survive on the earth because the earth has water and air. But on moon there is no water, no air. Each day the moon appears in a different shape, and this is called the phases of moon. What are the different shape of moon is known as? The different shape of moon is known as its phases. Okay, what we call the moon? The shape of the moon, it phases. Okay, so moon is a one big ball, and it does not have its own light. It takes the light from the reflection of the sun. Okay, and it does not have the same one shape. It has different shapes, and these shapes are known as it phases. And moon does not have the air and water. Next is sun. The sun lights up in the sky in the morning. The moon come at the night and the sun come in the morning. It is also a star. The sun is a big star. Okay. The sun is a huge ball of fire. We get heat and light from the sun. Okay, now in the winter's day we all love the heat, right? When the sun gives the heat and light to us, we go on the stairs, we go on the terrace and take the heat from the sun. And the plants also need sunlight to make their food. The plant need sunlight to make the food. The plant also need the sunlight to make the food. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So we all know sorry sorry so the sun rises in the east and set in the west. So the sun light up in the sky in the morning. The sun come in the morning, rise from the east in the morning, and it is also a big star. It is made up of a ball of fire. Okay, we can't go near to the sun. If we go near to the sun, then we will burn. Okay, because it give us heat and light. It is very hot. So the plant also needs sunlight to make their food, and so it is important. It is very important for the plants to take sunlight. Okay, and the sun rises in the east and set in the west in the evening. Okay, so this is about the sun. Next is earth. We live on planet earth. We also call it blue planet. Why we call the blue planet? Because it is made up of land and water. Because 70% of the earth is made up of water, that is why it is called blue planet. It is surrounded by the air. It is the only planet where living beings are found. The earth is almost round in shape. It moves around the sun. So what we learn about the earth? That earth is a planet. We live on the earth planet. Okay. The earth is also called the blue planet because 70% of the earth is made up of water. It is made up of land and water. On land we are living, and it is surrounded by the water. That is why we are living on the earth, because it has water, it has air, and it is very important for human being and living things. It is the only planet where living beings are found. Earth is the only planet. There are 8 planets, right? And earth is the only planet where living beings are found. The earth is almost round in shape. It moves around the sun. So earth is round in shape and it's move around the sun. Clouds. Clouds are made up of tiny drops of water. These light weighted water droplets actually float in the air. The clouds look white or grey as they reflect sunlight. The cloud moves with the winds. Clouds bring us rain. So the question is, who bring us the rain? So the clouds bring us the rain. Clouds are made up of tiny droplets of water which are moving through the air. Okay, it's the color of the clouds are depend on the sunlight, reflection of the sunlight. Okay, they are white or grey. So that's all about this chapter. We learn about the stars, moon, sun, earth and cloud. So your today's homework is you have to color this picture sun and this picture, draw it and color it. So I have given you two pictures and read this chapter fully. So that's all for today's homework. Thank you and have a nice day.